invite Mr. Rajshekhar Joshi, the Vice Chairman of Setu Ayog Uttarakhand, for his brief address.
नमस्कार। मंच पर आसीन हम सबके आदरणीय उत्तराखंड के महामहिम राज्यपाल लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल गुरमीत सिंह जी, आदरणीय स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर धन सिंह रावत जी, श्री राजेश कुमार जी, श्रीमती अनुराधा पाल जी एवं अन्य अतिथिगण और इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आए हुए सभी प्रतिभागी भाइयों और बहनों, it's indeed my pleasure to be here, and especially in the august presence of Honorable Governor Sahab. He has been such a source of inspiration for me, I must say that. And whenever I meet him, I feel a sense of energy coming to me. And whenever I need some energy, I go to him. And he has been so kind, and I must say that I have met many governors in the country, but none would stand in front of him in terms of his zeal, his desire to connect to the ground, his desire to form the kind of action plans. And he also requested me to look at some of his core priorities. And we are looking forward to a review meeting with you very soon to share with you the kind of progress and the kind of plans we have. और इसके अतिरिक्त जैसे राजेश कुमार जी ने कहा, विभाग कई कार्य कर रहा है, कई नवाचार कर रहा है, और हमारे मंत्री जी जिन्होंने स्पेशली नर्सिंग के क्षेत्र में किस तरीके से उत्तराखंड की कमियां पूरी हों उसके पर जो कार्य किया है, उसके लिए मैं पुनः उनको भी साधुवाद देना चाहता हूं. When we meet here, there are two important things in this conference subject: healthcare and innovation. And both of them are so important that I don't have to really say again and again on that. And as Rajesh Kumar ji said, it's really a time to have a hard look or a reset at what are our priorities, what are our challenges, and do with a great sense of commitment. And I really hope that this conference helps in that direction. I'm not a great fan of workshops on conferences where they're just talk shops and you just come out after backslapping each other, praising each other, and finally nothing moves. So at Setu Ayog, where we are partnering with Department of Health, we are very keen that certain outcomes come out of it. I think I must also introduce Setu Ayog to you. Some of you may not be aware that because Setu means bridge often, and people would see what is the role of Bridge Corporation in a health summit. So Setu is the state's Niti Ayog. It is the erstwhile planning commission which has been converted to Setu Ayog. And it stands for State Institute for Empowering and Transforming Uttarakhand. It's a huge task, but I must say when I took charge of it a few months back and today when I say my resolve has gotten stronger and stronger. We are working with various departments very closely, including health, education, rural development, urban development, industries, and have very clearly carved out what are the priorities what it should be. कि अगर प्रदेश को जो है उन क्षेत्रों में आगे बढ़ना है तो हमारी प्राथमिकताएं क्या होनी चाहिए. ये बहुत सरल लगता है लेकिन इतना आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आप एक्शनेबल प्रायोरिटीज़ को बनाएं कि ये इस चीज़ पर हमको काम करना है और इस दिशा में काम करना है, दैट्स अ सिग्निफिकेंट टास्क. And I must say that many departments have worked so cooperatively that we have very clear action plans in many areas, which is there. So coming to Uttarakhand's healthcare challenges, of course there are many good things happening which the Secretary itself shared. So I would actually rather focus more on the challenges which are there. The challenges also we know are immense, whether it is availability of doctors in hilly areas, whether it is operationalizing and sweating our equipment, क्योंकि हम लोग काफ़ी equipment अच्छा purchase कर लेते हैं, but उसको actual operational use में करना और उसका एक sweating करना, ये बड़ी important priority है. Public health management cadre को strengthen करना उत्तराखंड में is very important, and this is one of our clear priority areas with the department. How do we strengthen the public health management cadre? Then technology, how we use more and more technology, I'll come to it. Other is the e-hospital systems, because most of the time we use it for front office purposes, but can we use it more and more for actual operational purposes in hospitals? The PPP model which is there, which we started with World Bank's assistance, and it has gone well, but there is a great need to strengthen it and scale it up. And also, of course, I must say that the medical staff itself, I see many medical staff, they are overworked, they have a lot of stress. So there is a great need to look at their health care also, I must say that, and mental care. And this is not just in Uttarakhand, this is in most places. I will not single out Uttarakhand for that, but this is also very important. I think this is an often overlooked fact which is there. So these are some very important priorities. In Setu Ayog's thinking, there are 4 very important pillars if we have to proceed and have actionable action. अगर हमें इन सब दिशाओं में आगे बढ़ना है, तो 4 चीज़ों की बहुत बड़ी महत्ता है. एक है टेक्नोलॉजी. We need to use technology in a greater way, which we are not doing possibly to an extent it is there. Artificial intelligence is a great benefit. It has some minus sides also, but इसके लाभ बहुत अधिक हैं, and they far outweigh the benefits. So technology is there, collaboration is there. Collaboration is very important. Now people might say it's such a simple thing, but अच्छा collaboration करने के लिए बहुत सोच की आवश्यकता पड़ती है. जैसे हमारे PPP मॉडल्स हैं, अधिकतर PPP मॉडल्स हम लोग इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हमको PPP मॉडल करना है, और वो मॉडल वो चलते नहीं हैं. अगर हमें PPP मॉडल करना है तो हमें ये क्लियरली सोच के करना होगा कि PPP मॉडल करना हमारा उद्देश्य नहीं है. हमारा उद्देश्य है प्रदेश के स्वास्थ्य सूचकांकों को आगे बढ़ाना, और उस दिशा में जो उसका रिस्क है, आदि चीज़ें हैं, उसके लिए PPP मॉडल का क्या यूज़ हो सकता है. और एक तरीके से कि जो भी हमारा पार्टनर है उसके भी बेनिफिट्स को देखना और सस्टेन लेवल पर कि वो स्केल कर सके. सो PPP मॉडल्स, एंड एक्चुअली वी आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट डीप इनटू PPP मॉडल्स इन मैनी एरियाज, क्योंकि हम एग्रीकल्चर में भी PPP मॉडल को एक इस वक्त काफ़ी हमने उसको एक संरचना की है. तो कोलैबोरेशंस को डीपली सोचना, हम किस तरीके से हेल्थ केयर की चेंज को ला सकते हैं. सेतु आयोग का बड़ा स्पष्ट विचार है कि अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो हमें देश की बड़ी चेंज को यहाँ लाना होगा. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Unless and until we have private sector's effective collaboration, it is not possible to improve the healthcare even in the hilly areas. There are models which can be made. I was recently in Bombay and I met the managing trustee of the Breach Candy Hospital and also the top leadership of Fortis and Aster. I think people are willing to come to Uttarakhand provided we build the right economic model. We just don't tell them कि आप इसको चलाइए, चाहे लॉस में चलाइए. उसके मॉडल बनाए जा सकते हैं. सो कोलैबोरेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो टेक्नोलॉजी मैंने कहा, कोलैबोरेशन. तीसरा मेरा ये था कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, क्रियान्वयन, ये बहुत आवश्यक है. और गवर्नेंस, क्योंकि इसके अतिरिक्त हम लोग कंसेप्ट तो ले आते हैं और हम लोग कुछ काम एक अच्छे कर लेते हैं, बट उसको स्केल अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर हम उसको स्केल अप नहीं करेंगे और उसको हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि वो लंबे समय तक चले, उसके लिए क्रियान्वयन और गवर्नेंस, what kind of metrics are we measuring at what level, and how are we sustaining and how are we looking at interest of all the parties. So I think these are 4 very important pillars which are there, which we have to look at. Technology, again I would like to come back, collaboration, implementation and governance. These are the 4 core principles on which modern development stands today. And if any of them is not happening, we just bring technology but without proper governance, it will not work. वो काम नहीं करेगी. आपके कुछ दिन चलेगी, मीडिया में आ जाएगा, खबर आ जाएगी, उसके 6 महीने बाद वो चीज़ नहीं चलेगी. We don't have to do that. So I think the time has come that we, as Rajesh Kumar ji very nicely said, to reset, and I really look forward to work with the Department of Health. We are very clear in what requires to be done based on extensive consultations with the health department and at the ground level also. और हम बड़े स्पष्ट हैं कि इस दिशा में कैसे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. हमारे पास हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के साथ मिलकर हमने योजनाएं बनाई हैं, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आज की ये जो कॉन्फ्रेंस है, इससे भी बहुत अच्छे कुछ विचार निकल के आएंगे जिनका हम लोग साथ में मिलकर सदुपयोग कर सकेंगे. इन सब बातों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम लगाता हूँ. पुनः मुझे यहाँ आमंत्रित करने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस से प्रदेश की हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज को आगे बढ़ाने में इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के जो विचार हैं उनकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका होगी, और हम सब लोग आगे मिलकर बढ़ेंगे. जय उत्तराखंड, जय भारत.